Let's talk about something you probably never thought about. Why did so many medieval castles have secret kitchens? I know you hear secret kitchen, and you're picturing a Hogwarts-style banquet hall hidden behind a moving bookcase. But real medieval castles had secret kitchens for reasons a lot less magical and a lot more practical. First off, let's set the scene. It's the Middle Ages, right? Castles are basically big stone fortresses built more for defense than for luxury. Now, feeding a castle full of guard servants, the odd noble or two took a lot of food. Most castles had big main kitchens, massive rooms with open hearths and enough smoke to make your eyes water. But those kitchens weren't always the safest place to cook. See, fire was a huge danger. If the kitchen went up in flames, the whole castle could burn down. So, some castles had backup kitchens tucked away in hidden rooms, or lower levels, basically, castle insurance. If the main kitchen was unusable, the cooks could keep everyone fed without missing a beat. But there's another sneakier reason for these secret kitchen security. During a siege, attackers would try to cut off your food supply. If all your cooking happened in a giant, obvious room, and the enemy managed to poison your stores or smoke you out, you'd be in big trouble. But with a hidden kitchen, you could prepare food in secret, away from prying eyes, or even sneak food to important people if the main hall was overrun. Sometimes these secret kitchens were connected to escape tunnels. Imagine if the castle was under attack, you could grab some supplies, slip through a hidden passage, and escape the siege with a full belly. It wasn't just about comfort, it was about survival. And it's not just in movies. Archaeologists have found real hidden kitchens in castles across Europe. Some had disguised entrances, false walls, or were built deep underground. These spaces weren't glamorous, but they were vital in a crisis. So next time you think about medieval castles, don't just picture knights and drawbridges. Picture the cooks, quietly working away in secret, making sure no one ever went hungry, even when things got dangerous. History isn't just battles and kings. It's the little details like a hidden kitchen that kept everything running. That's why medieval castles had secret kitchens, not for magic, but for survival. Thanks for watching.